outdoor adventures demand a reliable shelter to keep you comfortable and protected in all weather conditions. The Campro's weather-resistant camping tent is designed for families and groups, providing spacious accommodation for up to 8 people. With 5 large mesh windows, a double-layer construction, and a divider curtain for privacy, it ensures ventilation and convenience. The durable 185T polyester fabric with PU 1000mm water resistance keeps you dry in light rain, while the easy setup with color-coded poles makes assembly hassle-free. A portable carry bag allows for effortless transportation, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and outdoor getaways. Stay roomy, waterproof, and comfortable with Campros. Outdoor dining requires a durable, lightweight, and multifunctional utensil that won't take up space or add extra weight. Introducing the Santa Titanium Camping Spork, a 3-in-1 combo utensil that functions as a spoon, fork, and bottle opener, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, and travel. Made from eco-friendly, reusable titanium, it is safe, free of harmful coatings, and designed for long-term use. The long handle ensures comfort, while the compact, lightweight design allows for easy carrying in a bag or attached to a backpack with the included carabiner. Whether eating on the go or opening a drink, this versatile and strong camping essential has you covered. Modern life demands clothing that is versatile, comfortable, and durable enough to handle any situation. The Riva Supply Territory pants are the ultimate blend of performance, style, and sustainability, built in the USA for travel, work, and play. Made from future twill fabric, they offer the lightweight feel of cotton with the stretch and durability of performance wear. These pants wick moisture, resist odors, and repel water and stains, making them ideal for extended wear. Designed with cell phone radiation blocking technology, they provide extra protection while staying stylish and functional. Whether at home, outdoors, or on the move, these high-performance, eco-friendly pants adapt to your lifestyle seamlessly. Modern lifestyles require a backpack that adapts to every situation, offering security, power, and smart organization. Meet the Decode Energy Sack Backpack, the ultimate fusion of innovation, technology, and modern design, built to enhance your on-the-go lifestyle. Featuring a detachable solar panel, it ensures you never run out of power. The theft-proof GPS tracker keeps your belongings safe, allowing you to track your backpack with just a click. Designed for functionality and security, it includes hidden pockets, smart card holders, night safety reflectors, a weatherproof key organizer, and more. Whether traveling, commuting, or exploring, this versatile, future-ready backpack seamlessly blends style and practicality. A powerful portable blender is essential for those who want to enjoy smoothies, shakes, and more anytime, anywhere. The Ninja Blast Max delivers ice-crushing performance with Power Blast technology, offering the strength of a corded blender without the cord. Its twist-and-go vessel lets you blend, seal, and sip effortlessly for ultimate portability. With the longest runtime of any cordless blender, it ensures powerful blending on the go. Equipped with Auto IQ Crush and Smoothie programs, it takes the guesswork out of blending. The 22-ounce removable, leak-proof vessel is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether at home, the gym, or traveling, this compact powerhouse blends convenience with performance. Reducing paper towel waste is essential for sustainability and convenience in everyday life. Meet the Chico Bag Jimmy Towel, a soft, quick-drying microfiber hand towel that conveniently zips into a water-resistant, pocket-sized case, making it easy to carry anywhere. Its removable, machine-washable lining features water-wicking pads for all-day use, ensuring you stay dry and clean on the go. Designed for drying hands and faces, wiping spills, cleaning lenses, sports, camping, and travel, it offers versatile functionality. The patented design allows it to dry quickly when hung open or laid flat, making it an eco-friendly, reusable alternative to disposable paper towels. Cooking outdoors should be easy, efficient, and convenient, no matter where your adventures take you. Introducing the Ogre Foldable Camping Stove, a portable 2-burner propane stove designed for camping, hiking, and tailgating. With dual-function griddles, one side is textured for grilling, and the other is smooth for frying. It offers versatile cooking options. Delivering 10,000 total British thermal units per hour, it features 2 independent control switches for precision cooking. The windproof design ensures reliable performance in outdoor conditions, while the stainless steel construction makes it durable and easy to clean. It folds and stores in under a minute and includes a carrying bag for ultimate portability. Enjoy effortless outdoor cooking anytime, anywhere.